Tornadoes hit Kansas, bringing destruction and apple-sized hail. Tornadoes swept through parts of Kansas on Friday night, battering cities across the state with heavy winds and bringing widespread destruction, KWCH reported. All Wichita Police Command have been directed to assist with emergency management, Wichita Mayor Brandon Whipple said in an announcement. Please stay off the streets if possible for our emergency vehicles. The National Weather Service's Topeka office issued its own warning, telling visitors to its website, "A tornado is on the ground. Take cover now." The NWS predicted hail the size of an apple could be a possibility for Kansans in the affected areas. The Capitol Federal Amphitheater in Andover, Kansas's Central Park, reportedly sustained heavy damage, and a portion of the Andover YMCA building is said to have collapsed.